Yeah.
Nostalgia. Turning radius look too good.
Back in the day, we'd pick up the front end and turn.
Yeah, and just swivel it.
There's a push truck.
Some of the cars, one guy could pick them up with, like our car.
There's a starter.
Pick it up and walk it around.
That's my favorite color.
Hey Rich, you're not live, but what's going on? Tell me your experience so far today here at the In-N-Out Burger Hot Rod Reunion.
So far, so good, but
Yeah?
I feel like I've been here. I was here all last week for.
Oh, really?
So,
This is a little more hardcore than shooting surfers on the south side of HP Pier? Yeah?
but it's fun.
Yeah. You're ready to fix the things, huh?
Yeah.
You got your NHRA gig going on too, right? And that's over, you get a little break, right?
Yeah. Until February. Right?
To February.
Yeah, so.
Cool. Well, maybe you come down to Huntington Beach and shoot some surfers, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, good seeing you, Rich. Look at that, huh? You got the Chevy C10 push truck. You got the driver driving it. Looks like all of 12.
How cool is this? A little girl driving it.
What was that number?
1020.
1020. Hellcat probably, right?
Probably a Demon.
Oh, okay.
Like a Mustang or a full picture car like that. But we couldn't because we had to get a family car after that. You were just going to be
These are going to be the nostalgia that they're lining up.
Looks like the outcome.
How cool is this going to be? How cool is that going to be?
do this, and I know that needs
Look at
water
this.
around this.
Bye. You taking off?
We're gonna go watch the awards and then
Awards? Where?
at the stage.
I've done them at 3:30 with the guys.
Hey, we're still doing something else at 2:30,
Okay.
so
Maybe
we're
we'll
gonna walk over there.
We'll come with you. Okay. All right.